Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to view your YouTube playlist. First, you need to go ahead and navigate to YouTube application and open it, log into your specific account and go to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. From this page, you'll get two different sections of history and playlist. If you want to go ahead and access your playlist, go ahead and select playlist option. And here you'll be able to view the list of playlists that you have created on YouTube. And if you want to create a new playlist, you can go ahead and select this option right over here. Enter a title, select your visibility, and tap on create. And a new playlist will be created. You can also click on a desired playlist to view all its contents. And from here, you can choose play all to watch the video in a sequence. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.